What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Backwoods Media YouTube channel. So today I had a question on how do I make alerts and put them into OBS. So here we have our StreamElements page. This is where we're going to make our overlay, our custom alerts overlay, and we're going to put it into OBS. So first you got to go to StreamElements.com, make an account here. It's free to do. Once you have your account here, go to My Dashboard. From My Dashboard, we're going to go over to My Overlays. We're going to go into My Overlays, and you're going to go up to Create Blank Overlay. It'll bring up what resolution you want it in. I typically, since it's just an alert, I put it at 720p, and you'll come over to Add Widgets. From the Add Widgets, you'll come down to Alerts, then Alert Box. Click on that. Here's all of your alerts right here. You can go down through, clicking on the settings cogs, and all these have default alerts. So if you just want to go with the default alerts, that's fine. If you want to go with your custom alert, you can go in and change the video, and I'll show you how to do that here. We'll do it with the subscriber alert. So with the subscriber alert, we'll click on the settings cog. There's the default. We want to change that. So when you click on change video, you're going to have to, you'll probably won't have anything in here. So you have to go to upload, find the video on your computer, and then come back into here. So with the subscriber alert here, I have mine already in here. I'm going to hit submit here. It's going to change it. Now, this here is the default sound. So if your video already has sound in it, you don't need default sound. If your video doesn't have sound and you want a default sound, you can always search and put in your own sound that you want in there. But my video has sound in it, so I'm just going to click clear sound. And here you can change a bunch of things. You can change where the text shows up, if you want it over your image or beside your image or under your image. You can change what it says, the duration of it. Now, once you're done with those, you always want to hit save. And we can just name this, we'll just name it C for tutorial's sake. You always want to hit save when you're done with them. Now, with subscriber alerts and bit alerts, you have to go to the variations settings, because if you just change up here and you go to emulate and it still has the default in there. The reason why is because if you go down here to the variation settings, we have resubscriber, subscriber gift, and community gifts that still have the default alert in there. If you want to have a different alert for each one of these, you would have to go down through each cog wheel and change your alert according to which one you want. If you want them all to have the same settings for your subscriber, then you just go over here and you turn these off and close that down, hit save, and it'll play this here alert for all of them. Same thing again with the bit alerts. So if you go back, it's, well, cheer alerts is what it's called. So same thing with cheer alerts. There's the default. If you go here, change video, and we'll put in this here video, and we'll clear this sound out. And you go up to save. You always want to hit that save button. And again, if we go to emulate and we go to cheer event, again, it plays the default one because you have to come down here to variations and you can change different alerts if you want for different, how many bits you get. You can have different alerts. Or if you want the same alert for every single bit, no matter what it is, you just go through and you turn them off. And you go up and hit save. Like that. Again, I'll show you one more with the Whoops, I hit the wrong button. If you accidentally hit the wrong button, just hit edit and it'll take you right back in. Hit alert box and settings, and we'll go to the follower one, and we'll change the follower one. Where is my follower one? It is right here. So I'll hit submit on this. It has sound, so I clear the sound out, and I'll hit save. Before I go over to OBS, I'll test it out, make sure it's good, and it is all good. So when you're done with creating your alerts in the overlay and you hit save, you want to come up to this copy overlay URL. Click on copy overlay URL and go to your OBS. From here, you can make a scene or whatever scene you want to put this overlay in. You go over to sources, hit the plus button, go up to browser source. We'll just leave this as browser 2 for now, and you highlight the URL, right click, hit paste. You can leave it this size and then size it later, or you can just type in 1920 by 1080. It'll make it the size that you need, the full screen size. And to test it, you just go to StreamElements, have your OBS up over here, go down to emulate. We'll use subscriber event, and there it is. There is our subscriber emulation there. So that is how you put custom alerts into your OBS. If anybody has any questions or wants to see any other kind of tutorial videos, please leave a comment down below in the comments area. And I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It would truly help me out a lot. And I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.